Hello, my name is Josh, and I'm one of the developers on TileStack.com. I'm going to introduce the stack editor to you and show you how to get started building your own stacks. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to create a new stack. To create a stack, you click the Create button on your home page, provide a name, and optionally a description. After creating a stack, you are taken to the Stacks page with the editor already open. Let's take a look at what this editor has to offer. At the top, there are now just two tabs. You use Design mode to edit your stack, and the simplified Browse mode to interact with and test your stack. When the Design mode tab is chosen, you'll see four buttons appear to the right side of the tab. These are New Button, New Field, New Tile, and Stack Info. These are top-level actions that are always available at any time when in Design mode. The first three do exactly as you expect, allowing you to add a new button, field, or tile to your stack. The Stack Info button displays properties of the stack that you may modify. Directly below the Design tab is the main toolbar. Here you will find the primary details that you may modify about the part, tile, background, or stack that currently has the editing focus. Initially, the current tile has the editing focus. This is indicated by the tile's English ID being displayed on the left side of the toolbar and in the center of the navigation bar, as well as in the info tip just below the lower right corner of the stack. Whereas the main toolbar will always show what has the editing focus, the navigation bar will show you the tile or background you are on. Additionally, both of these are pop-up lists that allow you to quickly change the editing focus or navigate to another location. To give you a better idea how everything works together, I'm going to quickly add a new button, a new tile, and then add a new button and new field to the second tile. Notice that the main toolbar shows that the editing focus is on the field I just created, and the new text toolbar appeared that allows me to change the various text settings for the field. This toolbar is shown anytime the editing focus is on the field or button. Now look at the navigation bar. It shows that I'm on the new tile I just created. To see this more clearly, I'll use the pop-up list to switch back and forth between the two tiles in my stack. You can also use the navigation buttons or the left and right arrow keys to accomplish this. You'll notice that the editing focus is given to the last part when moving between tiles. In this case, the field is initially given the editing focus, and the button is not visible because it's directly under the field. Therefore, to select the button for editing, I'll use the pop-up list on the main toolbar. Now I can move the button from underneath the field, or I can bring it closer by increasing its part number with the layer controls. Once a part has the editing focus, you can visually resize and move it around the stack, or change its main properties using the main toolbar. For a button, you can change the name, its visual style, and give it a color. You can even upload an icon for the button. To change lesser used properties, click Choose Options. Editing a field works pretty much the same way. However, to change the contents of a field, you click Edit Contents and then enter in a value for the field. You can give a name to a field, but unlike a button, the name of a field is never shown, and it's mainly used for referring to the field within a speak script. You can also enter contents into a field by switching into Browse mode. Finally, it's important to remember that unlike Design mode, your speak scripts will execute in Browse mode, making it perfect for seeing how your stack works. And that about covers the basics you need to know in order to get started with the editor. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the additional videos to learn more.